Good morning and welcome to the second day in the life of a STEAM educator. I'm Mel, the lead educator here at Ampere STEAM School. It is located in Lindsay, Ontario, in our Lindsay Makerspace. STEAM School is a alternative education opportunity where everything's student-led, hands-on, and we should have lots of fun all day. I can't wait to take you along with us on this journey today on Tuesday. See ya! So this is a look at today. The students will come between 8:30 and 8:50, and then we'll get started into BattleBots as our STEAM challenge of the day. We'll have some Halloween math number talks, and then we'll get into learning about body systems, and they'll get to make a little flip book that includes all of them. We have 2 of our break-in recesses. We get to do life-size body systems where the kids will lay down on big paper and then draw in the different body systems. And then as a fun end of the day activity, we have a Halloween decoder wheel, so they will figure out what the riddles are.